Understanding the phrase, flush. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the word, flush, a word with many meanings in the English language. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how and when to use flush. Let's unravel the mystery of this versatile phrase. When used as a verb, flush has several meanings. 1. To flow with water, like flushing a toilet or flushing out a wound. 2. Example, after using the restroom, always flush the toilet. 3. To become red. This usually refers to someone's face turning red due to emotions such as embarrassment or anger. 4. Example, she flushed with embarrassment when she realized her mistake. As an adjective, flush describes something that is level or even with another surface. Here are the primary ways it's used. 1. Even or level. This can relate to carpentry or general usage. 2. Example, the cabinet door is flush with the frame, meaning they are perfectly level with each other. 3. Abundant or plentiful. Sometimes it's used to indicate someone having a lot of something, often money. 4. Example, after winning the lottery, he was flush with cash. Lastly, flush can be used as a noun. The main meanings include 1. A rush of strong feeling. This could be a flush of excitement, embarrassment, or any strong emotion. 2. Example, a flush of pride swept over him as he received the award. 3. A hand in card games. In games like poker, a flush is a hand where all cards are of the same suit. 4. Example, she won the round with a flush of hearts. The word flush is a fantastic example of how versatile English words can be. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of its various meanings and uses. Always remember, context is key. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.